Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Touch ID not unlocking your Mac. So if you place your Mac on Touch ID sensor, but your Mac still asks for your password, don't worry. This doesn't always mean Touch ID is broken. Sometimes the feature is turned off for unlocking and your fingerprint isn't being recognized properly. Or macOS requires your password for security reasons, such as after restarting your Mac. So before trying anything complicated, it's worth checking that unlock option is enabled or not. And to check it, first click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Touch ID and Password. Now here, as you can see, use Touch ID to unlock your Mac is disabled. That's why even after touching the Touch ID, your Mac can't unlock. So make sure to enable this, and after that a pop-up will appear where you need to verify yourself by Touch ID, or you even can enter your Mac passcode and then click on unlock. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.